brings us to the database administrator, the DBA, our data guardian.
The unsung heroes, maybe.
Often, yes. Their world is the entire data infrastructure, managing it, securing it, keeping it running smoothly. They ensure data is stored correctly, retrieved efficiently, and crucially safe.
Safe from what? Like hackers?
That, yes, but also corruption, accidental loss, making sure it's just there when you need it. They need deep knowledge of database systems. Think Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, and robust security practices.
Can you give an example? Like when would they be front and center?
Okay, picture a big online sale. Black Friday, maybe? Traffic spikes? If the database slows down or crashes.
Disaster, right?
Total disaster. Lost sales, angry customers.
Exactly. The DBA is the one diving into server logs, maybe increasing connection pools, basically allowing more people in, optimizing queries, load balancing traffic. They prevent that outage or fix it fast. They make sure your data foundation is solid. Invisible, but essential. Okay, so we have clean data, strategic insights, and a secure foundation.
The DBA guards the treasure chest and keeps it organized.
The data foundation.
Right.
This data ecosystem relies on all these parts working together smoothly.
Absolutely. Effective decisions, the kind that really drive a business forward, depend on this collaboration.
Who's wrangling all the data needed to feed them? That sounds like a huge job in itself.
That's exactly where the data engineer fits in. Think of them as the architects, the custodians of an organization's data infrastructure. They build and maintain the systems for collecting data, storing it, processing it, and, crucially, making it accessible. They basically build the data highways and the plumbing. You could say they're the absolute backbone supporting any data-driven company.
Right. So what are their main tasks on a typical day?
It really boils down to data management. They're designing, building, and maintaining robust databases, data architectures, and especially data pipelines. These pipelines are critical for pulling in large amounts of raw data from all sorts of sources and then processing it. A huge part of their job is getting that data ready for data scientists and analysts, making sure it's clean, accurate, usable. This involves everything from spotting inconsistencies to building automated workflows to clean and reshape the data.
So a lot of behind-the-scenes work to make the data useful.
A ton. You'll see them heavily involved in ETL extract, transform, load, or sometimes ELT processes, extracting data, transforming it into the right format, loading it into data warehouses or other systems. They have to merge data from different places, check it, parse it, clean it. There's a lot of coding involved, often focused on making things efficient and scalable. They build optimized data stores for analysis and set up ways to serve that data reliably.
Do they mostly work alone, or is it collaborative?
Oh, definitely collaborative. It has to be. They work very closely with business analysts, IT teams, software developers, and especially data scientists to really understand what data is needed and then build the right infrastructure to deliver it effectively.